Appreciate it, bro.
Like, we got to sneak peek for it. I'm saying.
YouTube, what is good? We is back with another video. I know it's been like what, 2 weeks, where I'll be taking my time when it comes to posting videos and all my day ones. Like, bro, y'all know I don't just like posting anything when it comes to my channel. I only like posting quality stuff, quality content. And as you can see from this title, we got the 335 right here, as you can see. Got the comp turbo with the matching valve cover, the dusty engine bay, but you know, that's neither here nor there. We won't get that detail, but yeah, today we had to drive down to, you already know, Summit Racing. Got the boys right there. Had to come pick up some tires because, as y'all can see, we got the carbon fiber sunroof delete up there as well. We did a lot of stuff in between the time from now and the video I posted, what, 2 weeks ago, or whenever I put this up. But yeah, we got the Michelins on. These Michelins I do not hook with. As you can see, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been doing 4th gear burnouts with them. So I didn't originally buy these tires to actually race with or anything. At the time, I had bought these tires just to try to pass the state inspection, just to put them on there because my other tires were showing thread, and you will fail the state inspection pretty much if they showing thread. So yeah, we went and copped some Nitto NT 555 R2s. I've done a ton of research when it comes to these tires. I've been looking at the ET Street SS's, what else, the Toyo R888Rs, the NT01s, the ET Street R's. Like, it's a lot of tires out there that honestly, like, I could have went with, but I waited, did some research, and from what I could see, these NT 555 R2s, bro, I don't know if y'all can tell, like, bro, they grippy. They grippy. I don't know what tire these remind me of. They low-key kind of remind me of, what is it, the SS's? They low-key kind of remind me of the SS's, but they do way better in the rain. And honestly, they hook better than the SS's. This is just my opinion. Of course, I'm gonna test this out. This is just from the research that I took. But from my opinion, I feel like these tires right here hook way better. So we went with a 275/40 17 because we got the Apexes. And yeah, so pretty much we was just gonna be taking these tires to a tire shop, go get them mounted on the back of the 335. Maybe we'll do some test hits in it to see if it hook up, but right now the car's spinning from 1st to 4th. Like, I'll downshift getting 3rd gear from like 60 and hit it, and it'll try to throw me into a wall. So yeah, we got the big boys. Got the big boys. Oh, also we running a dual catch can setup. As you can see, we got a Vader Solutions catch can right there, and I'm running for the high side, and I'm running a Burger Motorsports catch can for the low side with 2 check valves for the high side and the low side. But we are having some problems with oil consumption. I don't know why. Maybe it's the way that the turbo is draining. It can't really drain properly, or it could be the valve cover, because you know it's a aluminum valve cover. I don't know why, bro. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out. Or it could be a lot of stuff, or it could be the turbo needs to be resealed. I don't know. Maybe it's not the turbo, but yeah, we having some, just like, it's throwing light smoke a little bit, but other than that, the car's running perfectly fine. No issues for real. Car is dirty a little bit. Gotta go get it clean, detailed. We added some carbon fiber in here. As you can see, I'm gonna actually get this changed, get this wood trim changed. What else did we do? We did a lot of stuff. Oh, and we added some, I don't know if y'all could tell, some M3. We added some M3 mirrors. See that? So the other one I got is kind of, the glass is broken on it, so I gotta go ahead and get that replaced. But for the most part, I like them. Get this whitened up. It looks nasty. Get the quarter panel painted, but everything's coming along, man. It's coming along the way that I envisioned it. That's why I always tell y'all to keep going and whatnot. So you never know what you're gonna see over here at Summit. That's why I tell y'all to keep going. What am I talking about? That's why I always tell y'all to keep going and to keep, you know, striving for greatness, man. Because you know, you never know when your time's gonna come. Man, look at these, bro. You can tell it's sticky. I'm trying to drag my finger on them. Like, my finger don't even want to move like that. So hopefully we can get these mounted today, because it's like, what time is it? It's 4:53. So we might be able to get them mounted somewhere. I don't know. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me go ahead and put these in a whip. Appreciate it, bro.
Like, we get to sneak peek for I'm saying.
See, they fit back there. They just barely cleared this, right? It cleared the seat, but I got them back there. And they checking out the whip. I'm about to cut it on. Want me to cut it on?
Yeah.
Cut it on real quick.
This thing.
That's why I do this stuff. Because of interactions like this. And we're running an open dump, so that's why it sounds like this. Been a minute since I've been riding with some tires in the back. Feel weird. I'm anxious to see how these is gonna look on the whip. I know they're gonna look good because I love the way my NTO5s look on the setup. So yeah, man, it's lit. Shop right here, so I'm gonna go right here and see if they can mount my tires. Do love this car, bro. I don't even care what I go through with it, man. It's just a simple fact that I love and the blood, sweat, and tears I put into this thing. Like, listen to this song, right? Listen to it, man. Y'all gotta keep chasing y'all dreams, bro. 'Cause I wasn't waiting on mine. But enough of this talk. Let's go ahead and get these tires mounted, man. Alright, so after forever, bruh, I was at that other spot. This man gonna check, like, ask me all the questions and whatnot with the car, get me set up pretty much to swap the tires, right? So this man going there, oh, well, it is, we about to close, so we got cars in front, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get you in. Like, bro, you should have been told me that before you took me through this whole process. But it's whatever, bro. But we ended up finding somebody to swap these tires on. This other spot I went to, I was trying to get them to do it, but they said that they don't even have a tire balancing machine. I'm like, oh no. Nah, I'm not putting these tires on my on those rims without being balanced. Like, nah, bro, that ain't it. It's gonna have crazy vibration. But so I found somebody else that was actually able to do it. They got a tire balancing machine and all that. So we getting them swapped on right now as we speak. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the finished product as soon as they bring these tires back out. It shouldn't be too much longer. I don't think I showed y'all this plate I got around. Now I gotta get the 1320 video plate. And there go one. You gonna keep the sticker on there? Or it's gonna come off? Yeah, I'm filming. I ain't gonna lie, these looking hella meaty, bro. Damn. Y'all hear that thing spooling, man? It's the finished result. The suspension still got to settle from when they just jacked it up, but I actually had raised it up a little bit just so I can have clearance and they don't rub, but it should settle down a little bit more. But damn. Look at the meats. Pause. Ayo. Pause. But my boy. She ready to party now. She ready to party now. Oh man. Hold on, I just had to show y'all how it look now. Now that the suspension settled. Perfect, bro. I got just enough room to when it squat that it's not rubbing. But we're gonna do a little test it to see if it rubs. But for right now, it looks solid. It looks good. I'm about to go to QT real quick and air up this tire because this tire look a little bit low. Put some air in there, and I don't think they adjusted the tire pressure. I'm gonna probably take some of the air out. See what it do, but yeah. I'm in love, bro. Oh my god. This shit sounds so good, bro. about to try to do like a little baby hit in a second to see what it do. This is Nah, it's hooking, bro. Yeah. These tires nasty, bro. I forgot I got them tires back there. Them hoes came forward a little bit. But hey, I think that's gonna conclude this video, man. I'm on the way home. I appreciate y'all stopping by the channel, the video. Nice flame, okay. But if y'all haven't already, man, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm back in my mode. We lit. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.